Are you familiar with the line, "Money can't buy happiness"? That is probably something you've heard a lot. But that one line doesn't tell the whole story. Money is just as important as oxygen. You need it to live. It even makes life much easier as you build your fortune, right? Well, in this video, we will show you how to live the millionaire lifestyle and reap the benefits of wealth without breaking the bank. Hi everyone, and welcome to the Life of Luxury channel. Savor the flavor of exploring wealth, where we post videos about life and luxury. Join us on an exciting video as we explore the wonderful lives of the elite. We are absolutely thrilled to share our knowledge with you. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can continue to post videos on this channel. Don't forget to leave a comment and we'll make sure to engage and start some interesting discussions with you. Now, let's look at how you can enjoy some of the benefits of the millionaire lifestyle even if you aren't quite there yet. Number 1. The way of living. If you like big houses with lots of rooms and a swimming pool, you can start thinking about building one. Nowadays, it is difficult to build a villa in the city center. So it has become almost mandatory for people to look for a place outside of town. Aside from that, land and property are typically less expensive in the villages surrounding the city. You could also customize your home however you want. And there may be fewer architectural building rules to follow. By the way, we are working on a truly dedicated video to all the best spots on where to buy a house. Make sure you press that notification button so you will be notified when it is published. So you might be thinking, I don't have any money to invest right now. But don't worry, because we've got you covered. You can still live in a luxurious home as a house sitter. Now this works when homeowners occasionally want to leave for a few days, weeks, or even months and go on vacation. Rather than leaving their homes empty, they make them available for people to stay in, care for the garden, and generally keep everything in order. This is usually done entirely for free in exchange for taking care of the property. So in other words, you could get paid to stay in a luxury home. Interesting, right? Number 2. Motors. Millionaires are willing to pay for things that allow them to save time. For example, instead of wasting hours at the airport the next time you fly, why not try renting a private jet? Renting a jet is obviously less expensive than owning one, but the cost varies depending on the destination and whether you're traveling alone or with a group, and it's not always possible. It may even be less expensive than a first-class plane ticket. In fact, flying with regular airlines can be a real pain in the back. Consider the long lines at check-in, the packed planes, the small seats, and unfavorable travel companions. So the same is true for yachts. Renting one for a day is unlikely to bankrupt you, while still providing an exciting experience. Just avoid Lerson's yachts. Renting one will set you back at least 1.2 million euros per week. So what about cars? Have you ever considered purchasing one? Perhaps you're thinking of whether to purchase a new or used car. So to help you decide, let's take this example. A new Mercedes-Benz Class C costs approximately $83,000, while a used version may cost you less than half that amount. So many used cars are also very well maintained, so you will be living a great life by having a vehicle for half the price. Number 3 is education. Education lays the groundwork for a brighter future. It is a key that unlocks many doors and is the most effective weapon for changing the world. Some of the world's best universities are extremely expensive, but not all of them. Even if you are not the children of Elon Musk, There are ways for you to attend those universities. First, look into the scholarships and grants that each university offers. And remember that while grants are based on need, scholarships are entirely based on academic and athletic merit. In other words, you have a lot of control over whether or not you attend the university of your dreams. So get to work and secure your spot. Furthermore, many schools provide free tuition to their employees and staff. Because there is no minimum standard, the terms vary by institution. But many full-time workers may be eligible for tuition-free classes. And it's never too late to start. What if you're out of school but want to improve your general knowledge? We're about to reveal a surprise to you. There's a location where you can obtain a variety of information for free. What is it? A library! Is it becoming obsolete to discuss libraries? But did you know that, even in this technological age, libraries are still a fantastic resource for immersing yourself in literature, philosophy, history, and anything else? That is the magic of education. Just like William Blake said, knowledge is life with wings. Before we continue with the video, I'd like to hear your thoughts. Which do you prefer for gaining knowledge and information? Searching the internet or browsing the pages of books in the library? Please let us know in the comments section down below, as I'd like to hear from you and start that conversation. And now back to the video. Next is number 4, which is art. Many millionaires are art connoisseurs. They enjoy adorning their homes with beautiful works and supporting artists in a variety of fields. If you can't afford art from the Gagosian galleries, look for young artist meets in your town. You will undoubtedly come across some one-of-a-kind works of art, and you might even discover the next Picasso. The internet can also help you in your search. Etsy, Saatchi Art, Minted, Spacey Studios, and Society6 are just a few of the websites where you can buy art at very low prices. If you have a larger budget, you could even explore the world of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, which are becoming popular for buying and selling digital art. However, if you still don't have your own place to live, adorned with paintings and statues, and you care for a physical art, you can always quench your thirst for art the old-fashioned way at museums, collection exhibitions, and open art galleries. In these locations, you will begin to define your style and taste, preparing you to buy when you have a large enough budget to invest. Last but not least, number 5, social life. Networking is essential if you want to live the high life, and it doesn't have to break the bank. If you can't afford to join a gym, go for a run in the park. You might be surprised to learn that Mark Zuckerberg enjoys running outdoors. You could be just like him. While you're out there taking care of your health, you might meet some interesting people, and that could improve your social life and your well-being. When we are younger, our concept of socializing can be quite limited. Instead of going to clubs every weekend, which can be expensive, why not opt for a more casual evening of socializing in a way that the wealthy enjoy? You could also hire a personal chef for the evening and invite a small group of people over to share a culinary experience. Something like this is more memorable than going to the club. But in this environment, you can have more meaningful conversations, bounce ideas off each other, and plan for the future. However, if you're a party animal who can't wait to get out and dance the night away, look for clubs closer to home, rather than in the city center. In many cases, the vibe will be very similar while being significantly less expensive. If, on the other hand, you have your heart set on accessing the finest club in town, The smart move would be to gather some like-minded friends. Go out together and split the bill because, as they say, the more the merrier. That is all for now. We've given you some ideas on how to live a little more luxuriously without taking out debt. And we only looked at 5 macro areas where millionaires typically have a few more advantages than ordinary people. But we're curious. What has your experience been like? Have you ever lived a millionaire's lifestyle without spending a fortune? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. So make sure to leave a comment down below about your memorable experience and how it went, so that everyone can learn and live their millionaire lifestyle too. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and click that bell button to get notifications of all our future videos. And before we wrap up this video, you should know that we have a bonus for those of you who stick with us until the very end. Today's bonus is doing volunteer work. Philanthropy is a billionaire's favorite hobby in general. Every super rich person in the world, from Warren Buffett to Bill and Melinda Gates, donates to causes that are important to them. You could also follow in their footsteps by donating any amount of money to a charity. It will be beneficial. There is also a way to donate to charities without even opening your wallet. That is, you can help by donating your time. Service is one way to express your love and compassion to those in need. You can propose yourself as a volunteer to a group or association that shares your values and that you would like to help. We live in a complex and troubled world, and these organizations are always on the lookout for new members to help them increase their positive impact on society. You will definitely be satisfied while making others happy. That's it for now. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, remember to subscribe to the Life of Luxury channel for more videos to help you explore the wonderful lives of the elite. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our uploads. See you in our next video!